How to verify Cash App without ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can verify Cash App without your ID, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to verify Cash App with ID, normally if you wanted to verify your identity, you had to open up Cash App. Once you opened up Cash App, you would need to tap the profile icon from the top right. Then you would just need to scroll down until you get to security and privacy, and then just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on security and privacy, over here what you want to do is you would have to go to identity verification. Normally when you tap on the verify button, Cash App is going to ask you to verify your identity by uploading your legal documents such as your ID, your national citizenship card, or also your passport or driver's license and so on. If you don't have those, you will not be able to verify your identity on Cash App, and that's simple here. It doesn't really mean that you do need to verify, because as you can see, I can still use my Cash App account without verification. But if you want all of the legal features and so on, such as depositing money, adding money and so on, in that case you have to verify your identity, and you cannot do so without an ID. So make sure that you're over 18 years of age, you have a legal documents with you, and then you would be able to successfully verify your Cash App account. Now in case you are just an under child, then in that case you can simply join a family account by going to this family section, just trying to invite a teen or selecting I'm a teen. You can ask your parents to create a family account on Cash App, then you can also use Cash App, otherwise you will not be able to do so. So hope this video helped you understand a question as to verifying your Cash App ID without an ID is really possible or not. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.